The season of soccer isn't over yet, so we're back with more drinks for your next watch party. We're gonna kick this off with Zaza, which is a drink from Morocco, which is also known as a natural energy drink. It has really good healthy fats, and it also has really great sweeteners. So everything's completely natural, and we drink this a lot in any kind of watch party, any kind of season. And in Morocco, it's very beloved because it's super duper delicious. Now we are gonna start with milk. Now we have our banana, which is one of our natural sweeteners as well. It's gonna be very sweet. All right, now we're gonna do our avocado. This is where a lot of our healthy fats come from. And now I'm gonna be putting our dates. This is our main sweetener because the dates are delicious and they're high in fiber. All right, now we got almonds. Very good with the healthy fats. The walnuts. And then last but not least, honey. And now we're gonna close it and blend it till smooth. And then we're done. It's ready to serve, you guys. Let's get this party started. So traditionally, we usually serve it just as is, but today we're gonna make it a little fun and add some sweet treats. We're gonna go right in with some chocolate syrup. A great pairing with Zaza is chocolate. And then we're gonna pour our Zaza. And now it's time to decorate, you guys. Add some Kit Kats, some Oreos. So I already know what this one tastes like, so obviously I'm gonna pick this one. Also, it's sweeter, just like me.
Bonjour, my name is Chloe and I'm from France. If you're in France and you're gonna watch the game at a bar, you're drinking a Monaco. It's super easy, you only need 3 ingredients. Lemonade, beer, and grenadine. You can keep it simple and mix it and drink it as is, or we can make it fun and bring out the slushy machine. C'est parti! You just add your lemonade, then your grenadine, and your beer. Then you just close it, turn it on, and wait about 45 minutes. And voila! And our slushy Monaco is ready. It looks so yummy. The consistency is so good in the summer, it's gonna feel so fresh. The color is perfect, the consistency is great, and if you make it in a slushy machine, you can actually have a whole batch for everyone at the party, so it's perfect. Let's give it a try. I've never had it slushied before, and it might be my new favorite type of drinking it. It's so fresh for the summer, it's gonna be perfect. And if you're gonna be watching France win this year, you gotta make this. Santé!
If you're getting together with friends this summer to cheer on Team Korea or to watch BTS global halftime show performers, this is what I would serve friends for a good old soccer game or game of 축구, which is what I learned 5 seconds ago is the Korean word for soccer. Now, if you're Korean or have a lot of Korean friends, looking at the ingredients, you can already tell what we're about to make. This is called a milkis shot because it tastes really similar to the Korean soft drink called milkis, which is kind of like a creamy, carbonated drink, which sounds weird, I think, to a lot of Westerners, but trust me, it's really good. That being said, it's really easy to make. You can make it with things that you could get at your local Korean barbecue joint, because that's when a lot of my friends consume this, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So when you're out and about at Korean barbecue, people will often just use a little shot glass. For soju shot glasses, they're normally easily stackable if you want to use the bottom of the glass as like your measuring, but we don't have soju shot glasses in the Tasty Studio today, so I'm using a full shot. It is just going to be equal parts of everything. Starting off, I have some original unflavored soju. This is a big boy. This can feed a crowd. I like to use original, but you can also use the very popular flavored ones. It's just obviously gonna add an altered taste. It also has lower alcohol content. When you're going out to like have soju, there's all these like tricks people do. People do like a whirlpool thing that you can see I didn't do very well. You can impress your Korean friends by being able to do that. Traditionally, Korean culture is also normally the younger person that will pour for your elders. And when you drink, if you're younger, you have to look away. We're just gonna do 1 shot of soju, but it has around the same alcohol content as wine. And then we're gonna do equal parts beer. And then chilsung cider, which is basically Korean Sprite. To make this fun and a little summery, I'm just throwing in a little bit of chopped fruit. This is just gonna add some like bite in there, almost like boba. But this is not traditional, I just added that for fun. And a lot of people, to mix everything, they would either slam it with a spoon, but what my friends would do is they'd put a napkin on the top and shake it really hard. It's gonna foam up and get really creamy, and you have to drink it immediately. Because I'm at the office, I cannot down this whole thing, but I will take a little bit of a sip. Looking away out of respect if you're Korean, it's delightful. It's very light, refreshing, fruity, and I think is a really fun activity to make with friends. It's fun to make like a ton and then shake them all really fast. You're gonna make a mess, but hey, it's summer, you're cheering for Son, you're cheering for Jungkook. Like, what more could you want? So we just showed you 3 fun drinks you can make to share with friends this summer as you watch some soccer. Let us know which one you would want to try, and we'll see you next time. Bye!